Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show how to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. Let's go. First of all, begin by tapping on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the settings page. Once there, tap on Connections, followed by Wi-Fi. Here, you can try turning off your Wi-Fi by toggling the switch off. Waiting a few seconds, and then toggling it back on. This simple action can sometimes resolve minor connectivity issues. If that doesn't solve the problem, try a more detailed approach. Now tap on the connected Wi-Fi where select Forget at the bottom of the screen. After forgetting the network, reconnect to it by selecting the network again and entering the password. This process can help reset the connection and establish a more stable Wi-Fi connection. If you continue to experience issues, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot. If another network works but your primary one does not, the problem may lie with your Wi-Fi network itself. Should these steps fail to resolve the issue, return to the main settings page and scroll down to Software Update. Tap on it, and then select Download and Install. If a software update is available, download and install it, using mobile data if necessary due to your Wi-Fi issues. Updating your software can often fix underlying problems that might be affecting your device's connectivity. Finally, if none of these solutions work, try restarting your device. A simple restart can sometimes clear up any temporary glitches that might be disabling your Wi-Fi. This last step is a quick and easy way to refresh your system and potentially restore your connection. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.